So let's go through our smartwatch application. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Our smartwatch offers the user two main functionalities. First of all is they can view the location markers around them. They can see the areas around them where there's a lot of trash. Or if they want, they could mark their location as an area where there's a lot of litter if they would like to report it. So let's go through the first use case, the viewing location. And as you can see, it actually generates a map, and this is an actual map view. You can actually zoom in and zoom out. So currently there's just one location marker. We're going to go ahead and change that by placing another one. So let's go ahead with the second functionality, mark my location. The user would like to indicate that there's a lot of trash in their immediate vicinity, so they're going to go ahead and confirm the placement of the location marker. And it shows the MAC address of the smartwatch, which it uses to generate a unique topic. This will be used by the server to go ahead and to go ahead and identify the user who placed the location marker. Let's go ahead and proceed through this. And once again, it shows the MAC address and it shows that the message has been sent, which means that the MQTT message has been published. It's been processed by the server, and the server has gone ahead and placed the location pin. As you can clearly see, it actually has, there are two right now. So one is in a current location, and the other one is a location marker that we have placed before.
So this is our Ionic application for our project. This is basically just like exactly the same functionalities what the watch does, except that over here we have individual logins. So this helps us identify individual watches also. The users are mapped with their watches using their MAC addresses. So they definitely need to basically log in either on the phone or on the browser. So we are logging in over here. So this is our basic home page. We have two options over here. We can see the locations nearby which are littered, and we can also mark a location which has a lot of trash. So it is exactly the same as the functionalities we have on the watch. So let's see what is the scene of the city right now. So the red markers basically indicate bins. We could just see the bins, or we could just see the markers which have been placed by users before. So as we saw on the watch, there are two markers which are placed, and we can zoom in, zoom out. We can see it's a proper map view basically. So this is basically viewing trash around you if there is any. And then this is the second use case. This is similar again. We have the option of confirming this location. It uses our geolocation from the phone, or we could take a picture, but this functionality is not complete right now. And that's about it for the smartphone.
Right. So now the demonstration will move on to the embedded system that we have for this thing. This is the complete edge device. So this over here, it represents a dustbin that will be scattered around the city. And you can see over here we have a proximity sensor connected to the dustbin itself, and then we also have a temperature sensor which is right behind the dustbin. If it's right over here. So these are both connected to the LilyPad Arduino, which interfaces serially to the ESP32, and that communicates over Wi-Fi to our through MQTT to publish readings to the server itself. So to make this useful, what we have is we developed a companion application for the municipality users. Right now it's fairly bare bones. It just shows a home page which explains like what is the functionality of the application. We can actually show it to you. So for example, if the proximity reading over here, if you notice, if I go ahead and fill the bin up, just simulate it with my hand over here, within a couple of seconds we should get a notification on this application informing that this bin is currently overflowing. So this is all done through MQTT itself. The ESP32 publishes a message saying that the bin is full, and then the server goes ahead and alerts the user saying that the bin is full and there should be some sort of action taken. Maybe a municipality truck should be sent to clear out the area.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to show you our browser interface. We have the login functionality, which is still a functionality. So as you can see, we have the map over here. You can see the bin. You can see information about the bin, which is being sent by the sensors. You have the location which is marked by a user that there's litter in this area. So we'll show you right now how a user, suppose it's all connected using MQTT. So if I confirm a location on my phone, if any user basically confirms a location on their phone that this is littered, it will be updated to the browser page for anyone who's viewing it, maybe the municipality or any other user. So I basically confirmed it here. and it should appear over here, and you can see it has appeared, and this is all MQTT connections again. So this is our browser interface for now. So this was our browser functionality. We haven't updated it much since we basically updated to like Angular. We were more focused on the watch and stuff. And as you can see, this person is still here because our colleague Saad still argues that he's the musician of the generation. So he forced us not to remove this picture, and that's about it.